Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your WeChat not available. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat not available, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you can wait a moment so you can turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.